Welcome back to Supercar Elegant. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting electric SUVs set to dominate the roads in 2026, the new Audi electric 4x4 SUV. This beast is not just about luxury, it's designed for rugged adventures, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance electric power. But is this the ultimate off-road EV? Let's find out. Like this video if you love off-road beasts. Comment, would you take this over a Tesla Cybertruck? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an exclusive review. Audi has taken its legendary Quattro DNA and supercharged it with next-gen electric technology. This 4x4 SUV is built for adventure, with a bold, futuristic design that commands attention. Check out this massive front grille with illuminated Audi rings. It's aerodynamically sculpted for efficiency while keeping that aggressive stance. The Matrix LED headlights not only look stunning but also project real-time navigation symbols onto the road. From the high ground clearance to the 22-inch off-road wheels with rugged all-terrain tires, this SUV is made to conquer any landscape, whether it's snow, sand, or mud. Now, let's step inside this tech-loaded cockpit. Audi has redefined the off-road driving experience with an interior that's both futuristic and ultra-luxurious. The seats, vegan leather and recycled high-end materials, proving that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. The dashboard, a curved OLED digital display that spans the entire width of the cabin, offering AI-powered navigation, real-time terrain scanning, and a fully customizable interface. And for the ultimate adventure experience, Audi has integrated a 360-degree augmented reality HUD, allowing you to see navigation, off-road paths, and even real-time vehicle diagnostics projected onto the windshield. Passengers in the back aren't left out either. With climate-controlled seats, immersive 3D sound by Bang & Olufsen, and a panoramic smart glass roof, every ride feels like a VIP experience. Under the skin, this Audi beast is all about next-level performance. It's powered by quad-motor all-wheel drive, pushing out an insane 850 horsepower. With instant torque, this off-road EV blasts from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, faster than most sports cars. But power means nothing without endurance, and Audi delivers. With a battery range of up to 700 miles and ultra-fast charging that gives you 80% in just 12 minutes, you'll never be left stranded. Now, let's talk about how this monster drives. Audi has engineered this SUV with terrain-adaptive AI, meaning it adjusts power distribution, suspension, and braking based on the surface you're driving on. Hit the rocky trails mode, and it engages adjustable air suspension and all-wheel torque vectoring for perfect grip. Switch to desert mode, and the cooling system optimizes battery efficiency while the tires adjust for loose sand. And if you're just cruising in the city, the comfort mode gives you a smooth, silent ride. And let's not forget, it's equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning this SUV can take full control while you sit back and enjoy the ride. Audi has been an icon of performance since the legendary Quattro rally cars of the 80s. Now, in 2026, they're taking that same fearless innovation and applying it to the electric era. With Audi committing to a fully electric lineup by 2033, this new 4x4 electric SUV marks the beginning of a revolution. So, what do you think? Is the new Audi electric 4x4 SUV 2026 the king of off-road EVs? Or would you still choose a gas-powered off-roader? Like if you love electric performance. Comment your favorite feature from this SUV. Subscribe to Supercar Elegant for more luxury car reviews. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.